Hey guys, welcome back to the Road Trend video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to add card or you may purchase any app or subscription in your app store in iPhone or iPad or any other iOS gadget. You may face a problem that to avoid interruptions to your subscription and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just click here on remove payment method and you may remove all payment methods from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back again and here the option of date and time, so you may click here and click on set automatically, turn this on. Then you may click here on language and region, so you may click here and click on region and you may select that region where you live. Then guys, you may go back and you may click here on your Apple account or Apple ID, so you may click here guys, and here is the option of media and purchases, so you may click here and click here on view account. So this interface will be open guys. Here you may see that here the option of country or region, so you may click here and you may change your region to that region where you lives. So you may just click here and you may just wait for some second guys, so your country or region will be changed from here. So click here on change region and you may select that country. So if you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in another country, you may select that one. So after this, you may click here on agree. Then guys, here you may write your billing information. So if you want to add your credit debit card, you may write the numbers, expiry date and security code of your credit or debit card. Or if you want to add your PayPal account, you may click here on PayPal and log in with PayPal. Then you may write your first name, last name and your complete billing address. Then click here on next and your country region will be changed. Then guys, you may go back and open settings again, and then guys, you may click here on payment shipping. So if your payment method has not already added, you may add your new payment method from here, and then you will check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.